So we're going to have a look at the modulus now. The modulus is the last topic we're going to look at in algebra, and then we're going to move on to a different playlist with a different topic, like calculus or complex numbers, depending which one you want to watch next. Yeah, so it would be quite new to most people. So it's new. It's on the Leaving Cert. It wasn't on the Junior Cert or anything like that. So the modulus. So I'm going to say modulus, or the absolute value. Absolute. It basically just means, so I'll change color, the positive value. Okay, so if you take the modulus, or if you take the absolute of something, you just take the positive value of it. So for example, if you take the modulus of -7, so that's what those symbols mean. The modulus is just those two kind of lines on either side, is just equal to +7. Also, the modulus of, say, just 3 is equal to +3. So it always basically just changes it to the positive. If it's already positive, it stays positive. Yeah. So now we're going to have a look at some of the questions you're going to get asked on that. So you're going to get asked something like, say, it could be the modulus of x plus 1 is equal to 3, and they want you to find x. So you can't just continue as normal. You have to get rid of the modulus gates or modulus signs there. You can't do normal algebra with the modulus sign. So the way to get rid of modulus, so I'll say get rid modulus, and then we'll say square both sides. So square both sides, and that'll get rid of the modulus. So you're going to do it like this. So you're going to go x plus 1 squared is equal to 3 squared. Yeah. So if you square this, you're going to get x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 9. Then that's going to be x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we're going to have to factorize this, so it's going to be x plus 4 and x minus 2 is equal to 0, and that means x is equal to -4, or x is equal to +2. Okay, and those are our two answers. So you will get two answers with the modulus, even though it looks like it's going to be linear. Basically, because of the nature of the modulus, you're going to get two answers. Okay, so that's just one of the things about modulus. You're going to get two answers, mainly because you square it as well. So if you ever see a linear modulus question like that, you just have to get rid of the modulus by squaring both sides. So we're going to look quickly at a modulus inequality now, okay, which are really similar to modulus, I guess, linear modulus questions. Anyway, so I'll just say here, so we have modulus inequality. Yeah, so the example could be x plus 1, so the modulus of x plus 1, so just put 1 there to make sure you tell the difference, is less than 5. And we're going to do the exact same thing, so we're just going to square both sides to get rid of the modulus, and then continue as normal. So it's going to be x plus 1 squared is less than 5 squared. So we're going to have x squared plus 2x plus 1 is less than 25. Then x squared plus 2x, move the 25 over, it's going to be -24, less than 0. Again, we're going to have to factorize this. Actually, no, sorry, to solve this, we're going to have to go back to our 4 steps. So I'll go to the red one first, is going to be let x squared plus 2x minus 24 equal to 0 is the first step. So these are the questions we've been doing for a while. Then we're going to solve this. So step 2 is to solve. So we're going to have to factorize it. It's going to be x plus 6 and x minus 4 equal to 0. That's going to be x is equal to -6, or x is equal to 4. So put 2 boxes around that. There you go, x equal to -6, x is equal to 4. Then part 3, I'll actually just do over here. So I'm kind of hopping all over the place. Is going to be to sketch it. So we have to sketch this here, x squared plus 2x minus 24. And we know that it hits at -6 and +4. So it's going to look something like, and it's going to be a u as well, something like that. and they want to find where it's less than 0. Again, less than 0 means below the x-axis. Yeah, so then I guess I'll just stick in 4 as well. Look at OGQ, so original question. So it has to be less than 0 or below the x-axis. That's -6 and 4. So it's anywhere here is it's below the x-axis. So our answer is going to be -6 is less than x is less than 4. And there we go. So that's how you solve a modulus inequality. So basically most of these questions end up just turning into a normal quadratic inequality. So yeah, modulus inequality, that's how you do it. So next we're going to look at how to graph modulus and just basically what it looks like, what a graph of a modulus looks like, because you guys are still probably quite new to it. But it's not too bad anyway. So I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time.